Hey everybody, Art Edmonds here at Lazydays, checking out the brand new 2022 Forest River Berkshire 34B. Let's take a look at what this awesome diesel motor coach has to offer. Right off the bat, a Freightliner XCR chassis and a Cummins turbo diesel, which is both powerful and efficient. It's got full body paint for protection from the elements, an 8 kilowatt generator, and a 100-watt solar panel, which is perfect when you want to watch your 32-inch exterior LED TV with a soundbar. Now, it's got a slide-out exterior storage compartment, which is super handy and useful. Let's take a look at the inside. Well, walking into this beautiful RV, you'll notice right away how spacious and well appointed it is. So let's talk about sleeping, because you know you're going to have lots of guests visiting you. We've got bunk over cab sleeping, a tri-fold sleeper sofa, and your dinette area also converts to sleeping. There are 3 flat screen TVs, including one over the cockpit. How about a fireplace? And let's talk about this kitchen, perfect for cooking on the road, with a full-size residential refrigerator, microwave, 2-burner induction cooktop. And how well does this kitchen function? Now take a look at this bathroom. It doesn't disappoint either. It also has a washer and dryer installed, and in the main bedroom, a king-size bed. Well, there you have it. The 2022 Forest River Berkshire 34B comes complete with residential fridge, induction cooktop, washer and dryer installed, and a king-size bed. It's waiting here for you at Lazydays.